check right behind my finger there. You can see some severe pitting. Every time this air conditioner gets a signal to come on, that switch closes. And you get a lot of pitting from these contacts getting hot, slamming shut, opening up over time. And this is one of the more common parts that we replace. It's usually a 5-7 year part, and I would have no idea whether this one has ever been replaced or not. I'm definitely going to talk to the homeowner about getting a price to replace this system, just to have that price to compare side by side with repair prices, because a lot of things that are currently underperforming, a lot of things that are going to be on their way out soon. Still haven't checked the amperage on that fan motor, which I'm very curious about. A couple other things I've just noticed here. This low voltage wire here, you got good connections within the cabinet, but you follow it back. This has been spliced onto at some point. Follow it back here, you can see where we had the 2-wire. You follow it back up here, you can see our casing is completely split open. Exposed wire right there, and then going through the brick. Yarbrough